Hey guys, it's Josh. Happy Tuesday. I've been pretty busy. Last week my grandparents came to Chicago and it was the first time they've ever been here. At the end of last week we went on an architectural boat tour, and if you haven't been to Chicago, we just have amazing architecture. I don't want to brag, but I will because it's true. 4 of our buildings are in the top 25 tallest buildings in the world, and I don't think any other city has that many, which is pretty cool. So I took some footage of the architectural boat tour. I know many of you don't live near Chicago and are probably not planning on coming anytime soon, so check out this footage and you'll get a little taste of the awesome skyline that we have. Hopefully, it will encourage you to come visit me in Chicago. I'm just super busy. I'm going to New York this Friday for my birthday and Labor Day. So I'll probably not be making videos this weekend, but I'll try to take tons of footage. Have a good day, guys. If you love Chicago, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe and tell your friends. I would really appreciate it. Have a good one.